free alternatives to Adobe software for preparing artwork for print without breaking the bank. If you don't have Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, there are a few great free alternatives that can still help you prepare artwork for printing custom coasters. Just keep in mind, while Adobe files are always preferred for professional results, these tools can still get the job done if you're on a budget. Let's start with Inkscape, a free alternative to Adobe Illustrator. You can download it at inkscape.org. Inkscape is a vector design program, which means it's perfect for creating clean, scalable artwork, like logos, text layouts, and icons for your coaster designs. It supports layers, paths, shapes, and text, so you can build designs from scratch or customize templates with precision. You can align elements, control positioning, and tweak your layout at any stage. To get started, after installing Inkscape, download one of Coaster Factory's free template files in PDF format. You can open this in Inkscape, then build your design on new layers below the template layer. You can also create your design at 4 1/4 inches, keeping in mind that the outer 1/8 inch will be trimmed off. This is called the bleed area. If you're not sure how to get the templates, check out our video, 01 How to Download and Use Coaster Factory's free template files. One thing to note, Inkscape works in RGB color, not CMYK. That means your colors might look a bit different when printed. To help offset this, use brighter and more saturated colors in your design. When you're finished, export your file as an SVG or high-resolution PDF. If you're new to Inkscape, there are plenty of beginner-friendly tutorials on YouTube to help you get started, even if you've never used design software before. Another helpful free tool is GIMP, a useful alternative to Photoshop. You can download it at gimp.org. Like Photoshop, GIMP is a raster-based program. It's great for working with photos, logos, and basic layouts. You can move things around, edit text, clean up images, and adjust resolution to make sure your artwork prints clearly. GIMP also supports layers, so your background, text, and logos can stay separate for easier editing. Just like Inkscape, GIMP only works in RGB color, so again, use slightly brighter, more vibrant colors to compensate for the shift when we convert your file to CMYK for print. When you're done, export your file as a high-resolution PDF or PSD, and you're good to go. Do not export your file from GIMP as CMYK. As seen here, GIMP does not do a good job converting colors. Send your file as RGB, and we will convert the color profile for you. If you need help learning the basics, there are lots of step-by-step tutorials available online, all free. If you're not a designer but still want to get creative, you can try free AI image generators like Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, or Bing Image Creator. Just type a description of what you want, and they'll generate an image for you. Then bring that image into GIMP or Inkscape to add text or tweak the design. It's a fun and easy way to create something unique, even if you've never designed before. These tools are great for mockups, simple layouts, or getting started, but Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop are still preferred for serious print production. For best results, always use our templates, follow our bleed and safe zone guides, and export high-resolution files. And if you ever have questions, just reach out. We're here to help. Please check our video library for more helpful tips on creating the perfect coasters for any purpose, whether it's for events, marketing, decor, or something else. Coaster Factory is your premier coaster manufacturer.